Hello and welcome to a look inside PLC Creative Living. I'm Kelly and I'll be your tour guide for this video. This is a look at the dashboard within the membership site. When you sign up for the VIP level of membership, you get access to hundreds of graphics. We have several categories filled with different graphics kits. Each kit contains digital papers and elements you can use in your design projects. Here's a sample of the graphics inside the Sweet and Soft category. Here's a look inside our popular Glampers category. These are some of the graphics inside our Funky Junk category. There are thousands of uses for the fun digital papers and individual graphics inside each category. You can create t-shirt designs, greeting cards, website graphics, social media posts, and so much more with our commercial-friendly graphics. New graphics come out each month in our famous digital box. VIP members have access to all past digital boxes. Each month, both levels of membership receive new graphics in the digital box. All of our graphics can be used in personal and business projects, including creating products like t-shirts to sell. We also have free tutorials that are available for all members. PLC Creative Living is the ultimate source in funky graphics. We are making it easy for businesses to get access to graphics without strict terms of use. There's no contract or obligation and you can cancel anytime. We keep the terms easy and the fun coming each month with new graphics in the digital box. Join today and see what all the fun is about.